There's a nice hill right here. If I don't eat it. Oh boy. Let's see what I can get into. What's going on, everybody? I'm out here in the blizzard of 2021, and I'm just having a blast on my e-bike right now. A little bit of freezing rain coming down, but it's not too bad. And I think we're supposed to get a lot more snow tonight. We got about like 3 or 4 inches so far, and you can see they plowed. But I'm going to try to take it off of this bike path here. See how this goes. Oh yeah, some fresh powder. This e-bike just eats it up. No problem. Oh man, I feel the back skidding a little bit, but I think I'm going to put a leg out. Yeah, baby. I can't even tell where the path is. I'm just going to kind of go by memory. And I'm a little bit off here. I'm starting to see it now. Yeah. What's up, doggies? Oh man, this is a blast. Oh man, these heated socks are really helping. My feet are kind of toasty right now. And I just bought some new goggles too. My old ones broke. These are pretty nice. I'm gonna just cruise a little. Oh man, this is a blast. You're still not sure if you want an e-bike or not. Pretty sure this is the first that you need to get one. Here we go. Keep going. This will be a little crazy once we get close to 20. Feels like the tires want to give out. I just think it's from the plowing though. It's a little icy. Oh man, I don't want to go back. Still make me do stuff. Alright, where are we coming out to? I'm kind of lost in there. Forgot there was a little cut through to the park through this neighborhood. So we're going to cut through, see what it's like at the park, and then probably head back and wrap up this lunchtime ride. And I'll probably be back to it tomorrow. Probably just going a lot slower in the snow. It's going to be a lot deeper. I think I came out at the perfect time. It's snowy, but they plowed. I can still ride. Let's see, I think there's a cut through back here somewhere. This thing? Oh yeah, this is it. A little cut through to the park. Some fresh powder. Oh man, this thing's great. Once I start pedaling and the power kicks in, like this thick powder is nothing for it. It just goes. I hope you guys had as much fun on this ride as I did, because that was a blast. Hopefully it'll be snowier and deeper tomorrow. I'll charge this puppy up and we'll be back at it again. I might even try to come back out for a night ride later. Let's see how it goes. So, until next time, see you guys again. I'll be out here riding.